how is the process, but it's the who that really gets most people stumbled on.
So how do you find an expert at anything?
Well, that's all about the who, right? It's all about looking to your network, again, of people, of individuals, to find the answer to the problem that you're trying to have, that you're currently having. So in other words, what I mean by that is I've been really, really good at the what. I can see beyond the obvious. I see through things. So the what is really easy for me. The how is the process, but it's the who that really gets most people stumbled on, right? Because the who is the answer to the how. In other words, what is the process, or what is the answer to the problem that you're looking for? Typically, go and find that particular person who actually has done it before and has solved the problem that you're facing, so that you can fast track. You can overcome that obstacle so much quicker and get to the next goal, to advance your business forward, to advance your relationships forward.